Hi friends, my name is Professor Bakre SS. We always discuss about interesting topic of chemistry. Today we discuss about basic concept of chemistry, that is mole concept. So what is 1 mole of substance? It is defined as molecular weight of substance expressed in gram called as a 1 mole. For example, 1 mole of carbon monoxide, that is molecular weight of carbon monoxide is 28. When we express this in gram, that is 28 gram of carbon monoxide is 1 mole of carbon monoxide. So what is importance of mole concept? 1 mole of substance contain 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. This number is known as Avogadro's number. By taking certain mole quantity of substance, we choose number of molecules. In chemical reaction, by considering stoichiometry of reaction, we decide particular moles of that chemical. Now consider this chemical reaction. It is reaction between acid and base. So 1 mole of HCl react with 1 mole of NaOH gives 1 mole of NaCl and 1 mole of water. So this reaction is carried out practically by when we take 1 mole of HCl, that is we take 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of HCl, and when we take another reactant 1 mole, that is NaOH, we take 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of NaOH. So by reacting these two reactants, two products obtained, that is 1 mole of NaCl, Avogadro's number of NaCl, and 1 mole of water, that is Avogadro's number of water form. So this is the application of mole concept on chemical reaction. So now we solve problem on mole concept. Calculate number of moles of water present in 54 gram of water. So solution for this problem: first we calculate 1 mole of water. So 1 mole of water calculated by adding molar masses of elements present in water. So there is 2 hydrogen atom present and 1 oxygen atom present. So molar mass for 1 hydrogen atom is 1 and molar mass for 1 oxygen atom is 16. So 2 into 1 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram of water. So when we take 18 gram of water, it is equivalent to 1 mole of water. So number of moles of water present in 54 gram of water is calculated by following method: number of grams of substance divided by gram molecular weight of that substance. So there is 54 gram of substance given and divided by 18 gram, because 18 gram is 1 mole of water. So as we divided 54 with 18, we get quantity 3 mole, that is 3 moles of water present in 54 gram of water. So this is about the mole concept. So I think my lecture is useful to get able to solve problem in your upcoming examination. So thank you.